All right, guys, look at this beast. 2017 C43 AMG bi-turbo Mercedes-Benz. Fully custom carbon fiber hood, carbon fiber front lip, hood vents, just clean car. Side skirts, got a full kit on it, okay? I love the front end on it. They look really nice. We didn't do anything on it, guys, but he brought it in. He had a rattle, but it has a full Westgate turbo back, downpipes, full system by Westgate. We'll see if we can get you guys a link in the description for it, okay? But it's catless downpipes on each side, all stainless steel, 2.5, and then they got a dual in, dual out muffler or resonator. I don't know. It's a Westgate, and then X pipe right there. Then 2.5 continues, and it was rattling real bad right here because they were touching. The two pipes were touching, so we just put a few tacks and a few welds on it, and it don't rattle no more. And it was, you know, this clamp loosened up too. It was hitting right there. As you guys can see from the black mark, it was hitting against the AMG tips. So we raised it up, cleaned it up for him. Right there. Right there. I said, might as well get you guys a nice video out of it. And it's got a Dark Horse tune on it. So it's fully custom to the max. Look at this thing. Just beautiful. It's beautiful undercarriage. It's got 70,000 miles on it, guys. But it's still really clean. It's very well maintained. So we're gonna let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to our videos so we can keep bringing you guys more and more. Like always, guys, thanks for everything you guys do for us. All right, guys, we got a race car in here today. Look at this, V8 AMG C63 AMG. Look at this thing, V8 of nothing but raw power. Anyways, it's got catless downpipes on this side and this side. Then 3-inch pipe goes into a valved H pipe right there. Then it goes out the back all the way to another H pipe. Not an H pipe, or just a brace. It always throws me out like an H pipe. Yeah, but see how it's not welded, so it's not an H pipe, it's just a brace. Then what we did is took the two mufflers off there and there, unplugged the valves. They do throw a check engine light, so make sure you guys get it tuned if you do take the valves off. He's getting it tuned next to get the check engine light off, but they do not go into limp mode. So a little bit of information for you guys to do as you wish with, but that's how you straight pipe them right there. Kept the AMG tips out the back on each side, there and there. So it's fully straight pipe. There's the two mufflers and there's the two valves. There's a valve there and a valve there. They're electronic, as you guys can see. There's the mufflers. Then when the valve opens, it goes through this. When it's closed, it goes through both. Just the small pipe to quiet it down, which is crazy for how much power this car puts. For them to put a 1.5-inch pipe out the back. I don't understand it, but Mercedes, German engineering at its best. So anyways, here we go, guys. We'll let you guys hear it. Look at this massive wing too, carbon fiber, hell yeah. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it, and like always, guys, like, comment, and hit that subscribe. Here we go, guys. Let's see what she sounds like. Twin turbo beast. Woo, that sounds good. Got the Westgate blow-off turbo, blow-off valves. That sounds good. Here's sound decibels. Double step it. That's not popping. Sounds mean though. Sound decibels, right at 97, not too bad. Oh, it's got so lovely. Check out that engine, guys. Look at that hood cover, really nice. It's fancy. See a fancy little thing with the gold wrap and all. I like it. You like it? All right.
What was the point in popping the hood when you can see through it?
I know, but you can see all of it. If you look, when you close it, you can't see all of it. You just see the little fanciness of the fancy. Not too fancy. Not fancy enough. Anyways, let's go back there. Good stance to this car. Honestly, if it was mine, I want it louder. Really amplify. I would take that muffler off, amplify the turbos. It is what it is, though. It's my boy. Let you guys hear him. Look at his face! Yes! That's not even revving yet. This is at idle, guys. Look. It's 94 at idle. Give it gas. Wow. Worth every penny, man. Jet engine. Wow. Now I won't want it. I don't like TRX anymore. Wow. Wow. Here's sound decibels again. Have them switch it to individual mode. Let's see if it changes. He's gonna switch it to individual mode, which is like Sport Plus Plus basically. Yeah, it changed a little bit right away. Go ahead. It changed. Wow. Here's sound decibels on individual mode. 113. Go ahead and back it out. Beautiful car. Look at this thing. It is a beast. Let you guys hear it on the inside. C43 Mercedes AMG, fully custom, beautiful car. Guys, 1 second. Yeah, man. That's a big launch. Look at that thing go. Beast mode. Look at this thing. This is the customer now. Rev it again. We couldn't rev it that hard, guys. Look at this thing. Jeez Louise, man. Wow. I love it. Mercedes, you outdid yourselves. Let's see this launch. He's gonna launch it. Wow, that thing is a beast. Woo! Enjoy, guys. Beautiful.